Ever pondered about the magic behind the screen you're looking at right now? How does this machine even work? The timeless question that has boggled the minds of many. This isn't just a box of wires and chips, it's a marvel of modern technology, a symphony of hardware and software working in harmony to bring the digital world to your fingertips. So buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because we're about to embark on a journey into the fascinating universe of computers. Well, consider today your lucky day as we delve into the fascinating universe of computers. Imagine a computer as an obedient and swift brain, similar to ours, but without the mood swings. It doesn't get distracted, doesn't daydream, and certainly doesn't need a caffeine boost. Instead, it thrives on data, crunching numbers faster than you can blink. Just like our brain processes our senses, thoughts, and reactions, a computer processes input data and churns out results. However, instead of neurons and synapses, it uses circuits and electricity. Just like our brain processes information, a computer processes data, but in its own unique way. To understand this, we need to break down the computer into its core components. Let's start with the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. Think of the CPU as the bossy office manager who keeps everything running smoothly. It executes commands, crunches numbers, and basically tells all the other parts what to do. Moving on to RAM, or Random Access Memory. Imagine RAM as the computer's scribble pad where it jots down data that it might need in a hurry. The more RAM a computer has, the bigger its scribble pad, and the quicker it can access the information it needs. Next, we have storage. This is where your computer keeps all its stuff: files, photos, games, applications, you name it. This can come in two forms: hard drives, which are like big filing cabinets, or solid-state drives, more like a super-efficient librarian who knows exactly where everything is. Then, we have the motherboard. Picture this as the bustling city where all the other components live and work. The motherboard is what connects everything together, making sure they can all chat to each other and get along just fine. Now let's talk about the GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit. This is the computer's artist, turning binary data into beautiful images. Whether you're watching cat videos or playing the latest games, the GPU is working hard to make it all look good. Last but not least, we have the PSU, or Power Supply Unit. This is the computer's personal power plant, converting electricity from your wall outlet into a form the computer can use. So that's the hardware, the physical parts of the computer that you can touch. But there's more to it. You see, without software, hardware is like an orchestra without a conductor. But we'll get into that in the next scene. The hardware is just one part of the story. The real magic happens when software comes into play. Think of software as the conductor of our computer orchestra, guiding each hardware instrument to play its part perfectly. The maestro of this orchestra is the operating system, or OS for short. The OS is a bit like the computer's personality. It manages the hardware, runs applications, and it's what you interact with. Now, what's a concert without a repertoire? That's where applications come in. These are the specific tasks or performances we want our computer to put on, from creating a document in Word, to browsing the web with Chrome, to editing a photo with Photoshop. When you click on an icon, the CPU springs into action, coordinating with other components like a virtuoso conductor. It fetches the relevant data from storage, uses RAM for quick access, and the GPU paints it all on your screen. It's a symphony of technology, and you're the audience enjoying the show. All right, let's take a step back and look at the big picture. We've journeyed through the intricate labyrinth of computer workings, from the brain-like CPU crunching numbers and executing commands, to the short-term memory of RAM and the long-term memory of storage devices. We've seen how the mother of all boards, the motherboard, connects everything together, and how the GPU brings visuals to life, while the PSU powers everything up. But the magic doesn't stop there. It extends to the realm of software, the unseen maestro conducting the hardware orchestra. From the operating system managing the hardware and running applications, to the applications themselves, each performing a specific task at our command. All these elements work in harmony like a well-rehearsed symphony to bring us the marvel of technology that is a computer. So there you have it, folks, the magic behind how computers work, simplified. Stay curious and keep exploring.